Since 2010, Year 11 pupil Kieran Cullinan has been supporting every activity of the Eco Committee at Ysgol Gyfun Llanhari, from helping them to win a number of awards and grants to encouraging new recruits on the ways to lead more sustainable lives. But it's not just pupils he motivates. He can regularly be seen handing out badges to teachers who have shown some green credentials and green Eco Dragons toolkits to teachers who wish to improve on the progress they have already made. Kieran's expert contribution, however, has been in the field of graphic design. His work in designing posters and the layout of Eco Amhari, the Eco Committee's magazine, has been paramount in spreading the green words of the Eco Committee to everyone in the school and the local community.